Hello, everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily migrate your email data from Gmail to Office. As you can see in this example, our test Gmail mailbox contains emails, sent messages, labels, and much more. And our Microsoft account, which you see here in our email client, is still empty. If your Office mailbox already contains emails, no worries. This doesn't matter at all. So let's start the email migration. Open MailJerry, which you can download at mailjerry.com/download. Click on Start Your Migration. In the section Existing Address, select Gmail as account type. Enter your Gmail address as username and click on Connect with Google account. Follow the steps shown in the sign-in pop-up to log in with your Gmail account. Grant access to your mailbox by clicking on Continue. Now let's head over to the section New Address. Select Office as account type and enter your email address in the field for username. Now click on Connect with Microsoft account. Authenticate with your Microsoft account by following the steps shown in the sign-in pop-up. How you sign in depends on how your account is configured, so the steps may vary to what we're showing here. As soon as you're logged into both accounts, click on Check Settings. MailJerry now checks both of your mailboxes. If you're migrating a very large mailbox, this process might take some time. After the check finished, you're forwarded to the summary. Here, open the advanced settings to decide how you'd like to convert emails with multiple labels. Details can be found in the description. In this example, we're opting to migrate duplicates. If everything looks good, click on Start Your Migration. MailJerry now migrates your email data. If you'd like to monitor what's happening during the migration, open the migration details to get a status update. Simply wait until the process finished. You can close the app in the meantime or start the next migration. After your migration finished, open the migration details. Here, you can download a log file of your migration and review the migration details. If you'd like to keep your accounts synced, enable the auto sync to regularly perform a Delta migration. Of course, you can sync your accounts anytime by clicking on Sync Now. So if you now open your Office account and refresh your mailbox, you'll see that all mailbox data was copied into your Microsoft account. Congratulations! You successfully migrated your email data from Gmail to Office.